If you want to sell some hydrogen-powered units, it's as simple as installing the other version of the engine.
The head of Cummins, a major player in the car world, has just dropped a bombshell that's got everyone buzzing. They're pushing a new idea that might kick diesel engines to the curb and replace them with something quieter, engines running on hydrogen, which is basically everywhere in the universe. For years, diesel has been the go-to powerhouse for big machines like trucks, tractors, and construction gear. But here's the twist: Cummins, the diesel giant, is now betting on a hydrogen engine that could shake up its own kingdom. This isn't just a cool gadget, it's like a sledgehammer aimed at smashing the diesel world apart. Their new hydrogen engine could flip the script, maybe even making electric vehicle companies sweat a little. This isn't a small tweak, it's a massive game changer that might leave diesel in the rearview mirror. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you're always in the loop with the latest tech scoop. Let's take a step back. Have you ever watched a construction site, a truck hauling cargo down the highway, or a farmer plowing a field? That deep rumbling sound you hear is the telltale sign of a diesel engine working. It's harsh, it's steady, and it's the heartbeat of the industries that keep our world turning. Cummins, a company that has existed for over 100 years, rose to fame on the back of diesel, from the beefy Ram 2500 pickup to the huge commercial rig. Their engines are icons, strong, long-lasting, and loved by millions. These aren't just machines, they've set the standard for getting the job done. But here's the interesting thing: the world is changing. Climate concerns are growing, governments are cracking down on pollution, and people want a cleaner way to go. Diesel certainly has the power, but it's hiding a dirty side: carbon emissions, sandy particles, and an atmosphere that's starting to smell worse than its fumes. Then along came hydrogen, a shiny new product. It runs clean, emitting only water vapor, not a speck of carbon. And diesel giant Cummins isn't just testing the waters, they've gone way beyond that with a hydrogen-powered engine. So what's the news? Could this be diesel's final reveal? In the diesel engine game, Cummins is the top dog. But hold on to your hats, they're now hopping aboard the hydrogen train. And everyone's asking, why the switch up? Easy answer: people are clamoring for hydrogen-powered heavy trucks and rugged pickups, while diesel's starting to get the stink eye from the rulemakers. Diesel's on its way out, bit by bit. New rules are clamping down hard with tighter limits on pollution showing up all over. Check out California, they've already kicked diesel rides over £14,000 from before 2010 to the curb. And the California Air Resources Board has a bold goal to wave goodbye to all diesel trucks and buses by 2045. Cummins isn't blind to this. They're jumping into hydrogen to stay ahead of the curve. Now here's the fun twist. Cummins grabbed their star player, the Beast 6.7 engine, the beast that powers the 6.7L turbo diesel in Ram trucks, and turned it into a hydrogen hero. We're talking about those killer Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 heavy-duty trucks from Stellantis. Cummins isn't just riding the wave, they're leading the charge into a cleaner, greener future. As diesel gets squeezed and folks demand eco-friendly options, Cummins is stepping up its game to match what the market wants. They've been diesel champs forever, and now they're using that know-how to take the lead in hydrogen power. With their souped-up 6.7 engine, they're mixing their tried-and-true tech with the push for planet-friendly transportation. This move is set to shake up the heavy-duty truck and pickup scene, giving folks a greener choice that still packs a punch. Hydrogen-powered engines, let's call them hydrogen ICEs, are a smart, wallet-friendly way to go zero carbon, especially for tough jobs that need a lot of power all the time. Battery-powered options can't always keep up with these demands, and fuel cells aren't cheap enough yet for some uses. The cool thing about hydrogen ICEs? They fit right into today's trucks, work with existing transmissions and repair shops, and feel familiar to folks used to regular engines, all while running on a fuel that doesn't harm the planet. Plus, rolling out hydrogen engines helps pave the way for a zero-carbon future, like setting the stage for hydrogen fuel cells down the road. Right now, it's speeding up the build-out of hydrogen stations and storage tanks, which are key for making fuel cell trucks a big thing later. Designing engines just for hydrogen also means no compromises. You get top performance without trying to tweak old diesel or natural gas setups. And here's the touchy bit. Cummins has crafted a super smart combustion chamber that mixes hydrogen just right, making it burn fast and strong. That means more power and better efficiency. Early tests? They're looking awesome so far. So how will these hydrogen engines hit the streets? Cummins has tons of experience with natural gas engines, so they're ready to roll this out and make it a hit. Cummins is stepping into the hydrogen game with a serious advantage. They're smartly reusing some rock-solid engine parts, which keeps costs low while still bringing that diesel-level durability everyone trusts. On top of that, their skills with spark-ignited engines mean they can sprinkle in some neat next-level tricks. Their hydrogen engine project isn't just a side gig. They're crafting brand new platforms to roll out a ride that's stronger and smoother than ever. These new designs are packed with cool stuff like adjustable cam systems, upgraded cooling, and less drag. Think of it as a beefed-up engine that runs like a dream. So what's next for these hydrogen ICEs, internal combustion engines? They're lining up this tech for tough jobs that need big power but don't have solid zero-carbon fixes yet. For people running heavy-duty equipment non-stop, hydrogen ICEs could be the hero they've been waiting for. This hydrogen push is about to unlock a treasure chest of powertrain options for customers, sparking some serious buzz and new ideas. Cummins has a history of taking on the tough stuff and flipping the script. Over the past century, they've slashed nasty engine emissions like NOx and soot, made fuel stretch further, and chopped down CO2 like champs. Down the road, this hydrogen program is ready to roll out a zero-carbon fuel option, mixing it with the killer tech they've already got up their sleeve. They're getting super close to making green solutions the real deal for powering everything up. The tech world's buzzing with fast leaps in turning power into hydrogen and back again. For example, hydrogen combustion turbines are heating up and could totally shake up how we generate electricity. In transportation, fuel cell hydrogen electric rides grabbed attention first, but now, hydrogen trucks with internal combustion engines are stealing the show. And it's a big deal, especially for medium and heavy-duty trucking, where muscle meets eco-friendly flair. Cummins is no stranger to shaking things up, but their hydrogen engine project is next-level awesome. They've cooked up two killer platforms, the 6.7L hydrogen engine, perfect for medium-duty gigs like delivery trucks and construction gear, and the Monster 15L X15H, built to go toe-to-toe with heavy-duty diesel beasts in long-haul trucking and farming. These aren't just daydreams either. They're set to roll out for real in 2027. And tests already show they've got serious muscle, pumping out over 500 horsepower and 1,200 Newton-meters of torque to match diesel's might. Cummins isn't messing with fuel cells, you know, those electric setups you see in fancy cars. Nope. These are internal combustion engines, just like their diesel buddies, but they run on hydrogen instead of old-school fuel. That means they can slide right into today's truck setups without a big overhaul. Borrowing tricks and parts from Cummins diesel know-how, it's like swapping out your usual burger patty for a veggie one, same setup.